Hello all, welcome to Mokopedia. In this session, we'll discuss some questions based on the topic subject-verb agreement. So let us get started. The first thing that we have the questions based on each, every, either, neither. Let us see. So we have done that each, every, either, neither, they all are singular. So this way they will have singular verb. So that is why everyone has done his or her homework. Each of the students is responsible, right? Because each is singular, that is why the verb should be singular. Now the thing is that we have either or. So in case of either or, we discussed that the verb agrees with the second subject. If the subject is plural, verb should be plural. Also, neither nor, verb agrees with the second subject, subject singular, verb singular. The samples on the tray in the lab need or needs testing. So who requires testing, and what requires testing? Samples, tray, or lab? Of course, sample. This is first way. Second way is that on and in. These are prepositions, and after preposition we have object. After preposition we have object, and object cannot be the subject of the verb. So that is why the subject we have is samples, and it is plural, and with samples we write need, because in the topic verb we did that needs is singular form, need is plural form of verb. Mary and John joined by and become plural, that is why play. Both plural, that is why have collars. You can cross check your answers, right? These are the correct answers. Next, try out these questions and write down and hit the correct verb, form of verb, and then we'll solve these questions one by one. So I hope this is done. Neither the dogs nor the cat. Neither nor. Second, cat singular, that is why is. Either the girls or the boy. Second, singular boy, that is why walks. Either or, second plural, that is why walk. At the end of the fall. This question we can try with the 14th one. The hard tests, plural, that is why come at the end of the fall. And now 11th, at the end of the fall, come or comes the hard test. So here we are not talking about these things because these are object. This sentence is written differently where the subject is after the verb. This happens, and the hard test, it is plural, so that is why come. The slaughter of animals for their fur has have caused controversy. So neither animals nor their fur, which has caused controversy, rather the controversy was caused by the slaughter. Slaughter is singular in character because it is uncountable thing, abstract thing, so that is why has caused controversy. The student as well as his teacher. Interrupters like as well as, along with, together with, in addition to. We have to check for the subject before them or the first subject. Student is singular, that is why singular verb. 14th we have done. 15th both plural, that is why have. Right? You can test your answer. You can cross check the answers. You can tally them. Now let's try a few more. John and his brother joined by and, plural, that is why are. Aryan, singular, does not. Either of you has your pants are in the top shelf, right? You can cross check your answers. Mr. Swami as well as his family. When we talk about as well as, ignore it, and Swami singular, that is why is. Mary singular, that is why sings. The novel including all the essays take or takes about 2 hours to read. So here you have to ignore this interrupter, but we can also read this sentence in different way. We can simply read it like the novel takes about 2 hours to read. Novel is singular, that is why takes about 2 hours to read. including all the essays, because a novel itself has got the essays, right? So that is why we have to ignore this interrupter, which is giving us extra information about the novel. Here we are talking about the novel. That is why singular, and it takes singular verb. They is plural, eat. The players as well as ignore it. The players want to win, right? So these are the questions based on the topic subject verb agreement. I hope this is clear to you. Thanks for watching.